If your Roblox is stuck on waiting for an available server, you could try disconnecting from Ethernet and connecting to Wi-Fi. So to do it, you simply want to come to the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, or you could just go to gear icon from there and go to settings. While you are taken to this page, you want to go to network and internet. Make sure to disconnect the Ethernet and connect it to a Wi-Fi, or maybe you could try using our personal hotspot as well, and that should be able to fix. However, if that doesn't seem to be working out, also make sure your device has enough RAM and storage space as well. Sometimes large game files with many assets can take longer to load. You could try using, or you could try removing unused asset or optimized script as well. Now the simplest way to do it is that you simply want to open up your browser and go to Roblox, right? When you go to Roblox from a web browser, you will then be taken to this page. Now what here you need to do is open up a particular game that you're having issue with. Now I'm gonna go with this, alright? When you open up this page, or when you go to this section, you can see servers. And what you need to do is here, you could go ahead and click on exclude all full server. Now then you could try joining any of these server and see that should be able to fix your issue all at once. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.